Hi guys, so here. This is Vlogmas Day 4. This is Vlogmas Day 5 and I'm really so excited kasi staycation tayo today in Hamanda. Look at the CR. Nice one. What? Lagay ko mamaya yung skincare ko dito.
Hold up, I am on my way, I'm in motion. Let's go to...
Hi guys! Vlogmas Day 5. Yan na, nandito tayo sa Souk, Pampanga. And Souk, Pampanga. With some, let's see. Bakers and something. Yes. Ang dami.
Wala ka ng bubis pala, no? Hindi tayo sure kung alak to. Lason.
Para kang mangkukulam.
I know! Iba yung feel ko. Alam mo yun.
Masarap ba? JP.
This one is disgusting. This one is super strong. Like
This is iced tea. This one is lemonade.
and this one is
And this one is calamansi juice.
Try it.
reaction. That's the most
Kailangan
disgusting.
masarap.
Di siya ganun kasama.
No.
Yan guys, magsa-celebrate kami. Nakita niyo, nagpe-prepare kami kanina. And now, magsa-celebrate kami ng bridal shower na din ni Ira. And for the past hours, medyo hindi ako nag-vlog na nagsasalita. Pero, try natin. Right now, mag-change na to pajamas. Let's try it. Habang naghihintay, ito ang quick room tour. Ayan, medyo magulo na. There's my bed. And over here, meron coffee table. And eto na. Ang ating CR. Let's go.
I can never get enough, falling for your love. It goes on and on. Chilling, feeling goosebumps, and we're just having fun. We're on the run, follow where the wind blows. That's where my heart is.
Back in my room, guys. And ang gulo dyan kasi hindi ko mahanap yung contact lens case ko. Pero bago ko hanapin, nagpabili kasi ako ng Royce chocolate sa kanila kasi hindi ako nakakapunta sa Manila and gusto to ng pamangkin ko. Kaso lang, wala pa naman ako sa bahay. So, titikman na natin siya. Tagal ko na hindi nag-Royce. Oh my gosh, buksan natin. So happy. This is always the stress food that I'm looking for. Hindi ako stress ngayon. Miss ko lang siya. Tignan natin. Sana hindi nag-melt. Hindi siya nag-melt. Lagi na lang tayong ganito. Pagtulog na lahat ng tao. Doon tayo kumakain. I'm sorry. Wala akong pakialam kahit mataba na ako. There you go. Diba? Dalawa lang, girl. Dalawa lang. Dalawa lang ha. Ulitin mo sa sarili mo, hindi yan para sa'yo. Para to sa pamangkin mo, hindi sa'yo, girl. Tagal-tagal mo siyang hinahanap, guys. Ito na, makakapagtanggal na tayo ng contact. Hi guys, this was a short vlogmas kasi medyo nag-adjust ako kasi bago ko lang talaga sila nakasama. Nakakasama ko lang sila sa events dati and now, eto, magkakasama kami here in the staycation. And by the way guys, dito sa staycation namin dito sa Hamanda Hotel, which is in San Fernando, Pampanga, the whole hotel is reserved for us. So, medyo hindi kami super scared na about the COVID and everything kasi kami-kami lang nandito. Although, yun, scary pa rin na kung sino yung gumamit ng room before us, pero we saw how the hotel was sanitized before our check-in kasi maaga sila nakapunta dito and nakita nila sinasanitize talaga. Kahit yung next door neighbor na staycation place, which is Tropical Stay PH, but next staycation natin yon. But for now, here we are in Hamanda and I'm really so happy I got to bond with everyone. Nakita niyo naman sino lahat sila. I will just link their Instagram profiles down below and tomorrow we will go to many different cafes. So, abangan niyo yung next vlogmas kasi madaming cafe na cute dito sa Pampanga kaya yun, abangan nyo. We finished our film today kasi ang daming nangyari ngayon kahit na hindi ko na-vlog masyado. But tomorrow, I promise, i-vlog ko na lahat. So, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. And I hope to see you in tomorrow's vlogmas. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell button. And check out the Instagram profiles of my friends in the description box down below so that you would find Instagram inspirations. So, bye guys! See you tomorrow!